When buying a property at an auction, the term yield refers to the return on investment that an investor can expect to receive from the property. It is typically expressed as a percentage and is calculated based on the property's purchase price and the potential rental income it can generate. Let me break down how yield is calculated. Firstly, the price at which the property was bought at the auction. Or as our website will work out for you, the yield based on the guide price. Remember, the guide price is only an indication as to where the reserve is currently set, and not necessarily the auctioneer's expectation as to what it will sell for. Find out the rental income that can be generated from the property, then the gross yield. This is calculated by dividing the annual rental income by the purchase price and multiplying by 100 to get a percentage. For example, if the property generates £20,000 in annual rental income and was purchased for £200,000, the gross yield would be 20,000 divided by 200,000, multiplied by 100, which equals 10%. The net yield takes into account the expenses associated with owning the property. These expenses may include property management fees, maintenance costs, insurance, property taxes, and any other relevant costs. To calculate the net yield, subtract the total expenses from the annual rental income and divide by the purchase price, then multiply by 100. For instance, if the annual rental income is £20,000 and the total expenses amount to £5,000, the net yield would be 20,000 to 5,000 divided by 200,000, multiplied by 100, which equals 7.5%. It's important to note that yield calculations provide an estimate of the potential return on investment but do not account for factors like property appreciation or vacancy periods. Additionally, yields can vary depending on the location and type of property. Therefore, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, consider market conditions, all which can be done by running a search, and using the tools available on our website, www.eigpropertyauctions.co.uk. Here's how to run a search on our website for investment properties, and to see or search for the yield information. Firstly, select an area, and then click the tenure options. Then select the tenancy option of investment properties. Here, I've selected houses and flats. Then scroll down to select future lots, and then everything that's available. There is an area here where you can specify income and minimum and maximum yield figures. And tenant and vendor information, useful when searching commercial lots. Then click Search to view the results. You can see estimated yield calculations on each property, allowing you to see properties with the best yields for the area. It is important to note the yield is calculated on the guide price given to us by the auctioneer. Please note that the guide price is liable to change. It is only an indication as to where the reserve is currently set. You can visit our website www.eigpropertyauctions.co.uk and sign up for a free trial.